When the power goes out, the first hour is not the time to start shopping or opening every cabinet. It is the time to protect the next 4 hours. Safe light, reliable information, cold food, phone power, and the people in your home. Do these 7 checks in order, and you will know what matters now and which purchases can wait. This is a first-hour checklist for a normal family home, not electrical repair advice. If you see a downed power line, smell gas, see smoke, or anyone depends on powered medical equipment, follow local emergency instructions and get qualified help. Do not troubleshoot dangerous equipment yourself. First, check whether the outage is only inside your home or also affects the neighborhood. Look outside without approaching wires. Check your utility alert and write down the time the power stopped. That start time matters because food safety and battery decisions depend on how long the outage lasts. The wrong move is wandering room to room flipping every switch. The better move is one quick check, one time note, and one trusted information source. Second, put safe light where someone could fall: stairs, hallways, the bathroom route, and the room where the family will gather. Use a flashlight, headlamp, or battery lantern instead of candles. A headlamp is useful because it leaves both hands free, but do not turn this into a shopping project during the outage. Use the safest battery light you already have and keep walkways clear. Third, close the refrigerator and freezer and leave them closed. Do not keep opening the door to check whether food still feels cold. According to U.S. government food safety guidance, an unopened refrigerator keeps food cold for about 4 hours. A full freezer holds temperature for about 48 hours, or about 24 hours when half full, if the door stays closed. Write the outage start time on a note. If you already own a refrigerator or freezer thermometer, use the actual temperature later. Never taste food to decide whether it is safe. Fourth, check the people in the home before deciding what equipment to power. Does anyone have a health condition, refrigerated medicine, or a device that needs electricity? Is the home becoming dangerously hot or cold? Do not guess about refrigerated medicine or promise that a small battery can run medical equipment. Contact the pharmacist, healthcare provider, equipment provider, or local emergency service for the person's specific plan. If indoor conditions are becoming unsafe, decide early where you can go. Fifth, choose one communication plan. Put one phone on low power mode, reduce unnecessary screen use, and check local alerts at set intervals instead of refreshing constantly. Text the person in your support network and tell them the outage time, who is home, and when you will check in again. A charged power bank may help, but the useful habit is preserving one working phone, not trying to keep every device at 100%. Sixth, unplug sensitive electronics and unnecessary appliances. This can reduce the chance of damage when power returns and prevents everything from trying to restart at once. Do not open the electrical panel or attempt wiring repairs for a video checklist. Leave one light switched on so you can tell when service returns. Then follow your utilities instructions. Seventh, keep fuel-burning equipment outside and far from the home. A portable generator must never run inside a house, basement, shed, or garage, even with the door open. U.S. health guidance says to operate it outdoors, more than 20 feet from windows, doors, and vents, and to use a working carbon monoxide detector. Then make the real decision. Is this home still safe for the people inside? Heat, cold, smoke, medical needs, and official evacuation instructions matter more than protecting every appliance. Here's the order again. Confirm and start the clock. Create safe light. Protect the food clock. Check people. Preserve one communication path. Reduce electrical loads. And decide whether it is safe to stay. If you are preparing before the next outage, the 3 simple categories mentioned here are a battery light, a power bank, and a refrigerator thermometer. Buy only what solves a real gap in your household. As an affiliate, I may earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Save this video so the order is easy to find. If you want a printable one-page first-hour checklist, comment checklist. We will use a real viewer demand to decide whether to make it.